Hello everyone. So in part 7 of electrophilic addition to CC multiple bond, we will discuss addition of water, that is also known as hydration. So hydration, from the name you can understand that it is the addition of H and OH of water. So here we have our alkene, our starting material. So here H and OH will be added. So it is the net addition of water. Okay. So one pi bond that will be broken, and here we will get two new sigma bond. So this is one sigma bond, this is another sigma bond, and this reaction, it is acid catalyzed hydration. Okay, so when we will see the mechanism, you will understand why it is acid catalyzed, that is why acid is required. And this is the forward reaction, that is hydration. So obviously the backward reaction, that will be dehydration, and our product is alcohol. Okay, so it is the dehydration of alcohol if we consider the backward reaction, that is the reverse reaction. And we will see the general mechanism first, then we will take a particular example of isobutylene, which is having structure like Me2CH double bond CH2. So this is isobutylene, but before that we will see the general mechanism of this hydration reaction. So the first step is protonation of the double bond, and in this protonation there is formation of carbocation. So here you can see we have H3O plus. H3O plus means H plus and water. It is H3O plus. So in presence, as we are doing the reaction, H2SO4 and water is the medium. So that means there will be H2O plus hydronium ion. So the double bond, that is a pi bond, it will capture this proton. OH bond will be broken and there will be carbocation intermediate. So this is the carbocation. Next step is nucleophilic attack by water. So now there will be attack by water. So this is our nucleophile. A nucleophile, it will attack this electron deficient center C+, and there will be formation of COH2, but still the oxygen is positively charged because there is two proton attached to it, and finally there will be deprotonation because this OH has to be neutral. Okay, so this deprotonation, that is taking place by another water molecule which is capturing this extra hydrogen, so that oxygen becomes neutral. So finally we are getting our alcohol product. Okay, and remember here H2SO4, that is preferred catalyst in comparison to nitric acid or HClO4. So now we will see the mechanism with isobutylene as substrate. So I will number the carbon because there is a possibility of, as it is unsymmetrical, so two types of carbocation formation is possible, right? So it will occur according to Markovnikov addition, and for Markovnikov addition, please I will request you to watch the video, that is part 3 and 4. Okay, in part 3 there is Markovnikov I have discussed, and in part 4 there is discussion of problems regarding Markovnikov. Okay, so if the protonation is occurring at 2 position, okay, so there will be CH2, and the carbocation that we are getting, this is 1 degree, right? And if the protonation is occurring at 1 position, so now we are getting 3 degree carbocation, right? Sorry, this is CH3. So this 3 degree carbocation, obviously it is more stable, so we will not consider this one. And according to Markovnikov, what we have said, the negative part is HO minus. The negative part that will be added to that carbon which is containing lesser number of hydrogen. So here this carbon is containing less number of hydrogen, so OH must be added to that carbon, and for OH addition there must be first generation of positive charge on 2 carbon. Okay, so next there will be added, just follow this step 2 now because this is a step 1. In step 2 what will happen, there will be addition of H2O. So this is a nucleophilic attack by H2O as it is mentioned in step 2. So it will be Me2CH. O is positively charged, right? And next finally deprotonation. So in deprotonation there will be removal of proton, and finally we will get our Markovnikov product. So OH is attached to 2 carbon. So this is following Markovnikov rule. Markovnikov rule followed. Fine. Stereochemistry of acid catalyzed hydration. Okay. So stereochemistry, why we are discussing it? Because in the product there will be formation of a center in some cases, not always, which will be chiral center. So if you look at the previous case, here we have Me2CHOH-CH3. So this is not chiral center, right? Because OH is added to that carbon where 3 groups are same. So here chiral center is not generated, but in some cases maybe there is chiral center generation. So carbocations are sp2 hybridized and the nucleophilic attack that can occur from both phases. So here we have taken this alkene, and after protonation, suppose this is 1 carbon, this is 2 carbon, obviously protonation will taking place at 1 carbon, because if protonation is taking place, suppose proton is here, then the carbocation that we are getting like this. But if the protonation is taking place at one position, then the carbocation that we are getting this one. So obviously this is 2 degree and this is 3 degree, so we will cancel it. Next, what will happen, as here it is mentioned that nucleophilic attack, it can occur from both phases because it is planar, sp2 carbocation, that is planar. So H2O, so both the possibilities are there. So if suppose it is back attack and it is front attack, so if I write the back first, so now methyl group that is above the plane and OH minus H plus, actually one step I am jumping. Okay, so this is the chiral center generated because all the 4 groups are different. And if it is front attack, now methyl that is below the plane and OH that is above the plane. Okay, so equal probability means that this chiral center that is generated, it will be mixture of 2 enantiomer because both are 50%, having probability of 50%. Okay, so that is why it will be racemic mixture. So this is a generation of one chiral center. But suppose in the starting material, that is initially there is no chiral center, but maybe in some cases initially there is already a chiral center, and in the mechanism a new chiral center is generated. So one chiral center that is already fixed at starting material and new chiral center that is generating, so there will be formation of diastereomer. So in this example you can see, if the reaction produces more than one stereogenic center. So why it is producing more than one? Because already there is a chiral center, right? And that is why it is R3 methyl 1 pentane. So this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5. And why it is R? Because here the highest priority group is, let me use another color. So this is the highest priority group, A, this is B, this is C. So A2, B2, C, it is clockwise. And hydrogen, which is the lowest priority group, where it is away from R. So that is why A2, B2, C, it is clockwise and it is R. So there is already chiral center and a new carbocation is generated. Now nucleophilic attack by water, it can take place from both sides. So as a result, there will be formation of 2 new chiral center. So this chiral center that is already fixed, R, and this is newly generated, that is S, and this is R. So what we are getting? We are getting basically RS and RR. So these two will be diastereomer. Okay, and high it is R and S. Let's see. So here OH higher priority, this group B second priority, this is third priority C, and this is lowest priority. So when lowest priority is away from us and you are moving A to B to C anti-clockwise, that means it will be S. So this center, that is 2 position, this is 2 position, this is 3 position, this is S. Similarly, if you check the second compound, this is A, this group is B, this group is C. So A to B to C, it is clockwise. So this is 2 carbon, this is 3 carbon. So it is 2R, 3R. So 3R, it is already fixed. That you have already seen here. It is 3R, that is already fixed. But the new chiral center that is generated is 2S for the first one and 2R for the second one. So here we are getting mixture of diastereomer. Okay. Now we will see stereochemical codes of acid catalyzed hydration of cis and trans-butene. So here we have cis-butene, we have trans-butene. So basically you will see that after the we will see the mechanism. We are basically getting same product mixture. So there is first protonation. So this is our protonation step. Same here also. So here we are getting the carbocation. Now carbocation, it is planar, sp2 hybridized. So water that can attack from both sides. So if you follow the orange line and if you follow the green line, you will get 2 different products. Okay, that is 2 different products, but actually they are mirror image to each other. So here the water, that is in protonated state, but after that there is removal of proton. So finally we are getting alcohol, right? But here this is again racemic mixture because there is a chance of attack by nucleophile water from both sides. Okay, so that is why it will be racemic mixture. So it doesn't matter whether you are starting from cis or whether you are starting from trans, because ultimately in both cases our final product, that is the racemic mixture. Okay, so that is all about this video. If you find the video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and you will find all the important links for playlist in the description box. Please check the description box. Okay, I will meet you in the next video. Thank you for your time.